The backpacker is designed for a pair of outdoor explorers on a 4-day adventure into the wilderness. Outfitted with a hand-picked assortment of first aid supplies designed to help your short adventure go smoothly. Inside the kit are semi-transparent pockets that are organized and labeled by injury in French and English so you know exactly where to reach. The wound care pocket features an irrigation syringe to clean wounds, a variety of wraps and bandages to immobilize and support fractures, and pre-cut moleskins that treat hot spots and blisters. Adventure Medical Kit's exclusive manual, a condensed guide to wilderness medicine, is a must-have resource packed with valuable information on diagnosing and treating the most common and serious injuries affecting backpackers and hikers. Stop bleeding fast with a sterile trauma pad and nitrile gloves. Inside, you will also find high-quality instruments like EMT shears, single-use thermometers, and splinter tick remover forceps. The medications pocket includes after-bite bite treatment, as well as space to pack your own medications to treat pain, fever, inflammation, diarrhea, and allergic reactions. Cuts and scrapes items include our exclusive easy-access bandages, plus antiseptic wipes, and more. The International Mountain Series medical kits provide you with the highest quality first aid supplies and medical information based on the most current guidelines in wilderness emergency medicine. Be prepared for your next adventure by ordering your kit today.